alarming.
Are you having a hard time getting up in the morning? Try this new alarm clock app. I promise you will wake up. Level 1, Namin Robot. Level 2, Namin is making noise to you. Level 3, Japanese Namin.
What was it?
Level 4. If you still can't wake up, Level 5, you will definitely wake up. Original price $158. Now only $136.
Hey!
Buy it now.
Hey, don't sell! 59, 58! 58 is right! Don't say! No, don't sell! No! No! 와, 웃기네. 아, 직접 찍었네. Oh my god, thank you for making this video. How about this? How about this alarm, guys? Like the 不会大妈，不会大妈 ，Wake up, wake up， 不会大妈，不会大妈 ，Wake up, wake up， 不会大妈，不会大妈 ，Wake up, wake up。 Maybe you can wake up well, right? 그러니까 이런 식으로 하면 잘 일어나겠죠? 不会大妈，不会大妈 ，Wake up, wake up， 不会大妈，不会大妈 ，Wake up, wake up， 不会大妈，不会大妈 ，Wake up, wake up。